The Merit's Gemini P301. This heavy-duty rear-wheel drive Powerbase wheelchair merges excellent power and stability with superior carrying capacity. With an impressive carrying capacity of 205 kilograms or 450 pounds, the Gemini P301 is an exceptionally rugged power chair. Add to that an outstanding range of up to 32 kilometers or 20 miles and a max speed of 8 kilometers per hour or 5 miles per hour, and it becomes clear that P301 is a formidable power chair. The P301's powerful drivetrain makes climbing inclines easy. The two 14-inch aluminum cast rear drive wheels, coupled with the two 8-inch front caster wheels, offer great strength and maneuverability. The wheels are outfitted with polyurethane tires, thereby eliminating the fear of a flat tire. The unique suspension system further enhances the stability of the P301, providing the rider with a smooth and comfortable journey both indoors and outdoors. For additional peace of mind, the P301 is fitted with removable anti-tippers. This power chair comes with an aluminum flip-up footplate, whose height and angle can be adjusted for different users. The motors are equipped with an intelligent braking system, which electromagnetically prevents unwanted rolling while stationary. It is also regenerative, which means it recovers the kinetic energy lost while braking and feeds this power back into the batteries, thereby extending the range of the power chair. To disengage the motors and allow the power chair to be pushed similarly to a standard wheelchair, simply twist the freewheel levers located under the seat. The comfortable 20-inch wide captain seat guarantees a smooth ride with its high-density foam providing excellent support. The seat also comes with armrests that can flip up for easier access. They can be adjusted both horizontally and vertically, conforming to the rider's needs for maximum comfort. An optional power seat elevator is also available. There are two levers on the seat. Under the seat is the lever that controls the seat rotation, providing alternative ways of getting on and off the chair. On the side of the seat is the lever that controls the seat inclination. This can be further adjusted on the opposite side of the seat. Optionally, the Gemini can be outfitted with a complete lighting system, which includes headlights, tail lights, and turn signals, as well as an emergency blinker setting. These would be controlled on the durable PG VR2 Controller alongside the horn. The controller also displays the current battery charge, provides easy speed adjustments, and allows for nimble movement control. The onboard charging plug is conveniently located under the controller. Additionally, the swing back bracket comes standard. Lastly, the Gemini has Merit's standard accessory mount in the back, which allows the user to add options such as cane holders. The Merit's Gemini P301 is an exceptionally strong power-based wheelchair with rear-wheel drive. It offers great safety and maneuverability, a powerful drivetrain, and convenient features which make sure every trip is not only safe but comfortable as well.